So I have over here my molds to make the hearts for the rose and peony, and then I have over here, this is my daisy one for the lavender linen. So I have all my molds ready. This I made with the little hearts, and it has like a pearl mica in there. And let me show you this one here. So that's a pearl mica. I don't know if it, yeah. And then these are the other hearts, and this is like a pink pearly mica that I used. And so I'll pour my batter in there, and then that mica will be on the very top of the soap when it comes out of the mold. So I have all my molds ready. I sprayed them with Pam, which is a simple, easy vegetable spray. And I'm using that, and then I have this mold here, and that's like a little heart mold one. And then this is another one I use for the lavender linen. It's the heart one. So I'm just doing a quick video to show my process. So here I am making my rose and peony and also my lavender linen. So this is the colors I'm using for my lavender linen. It's in sunflower oil, so this is purple and that's the blue. And then here I have like a fuchsia red, and I only have one of those. And so I have 2 containers. I've doubled the batch for the squirty swirls, and I'll put half in this here and then half in here. And then I'll do the same for the lavender linen because I'm splitting the batch. These are my oils right here. I'm just waiting for the lye to come down. These are all my oils. They've been mixed. They're about 109 degrees. And the lye right now is 122, so I'm just waiting for that to come down. So that's it. Everything is ready. I'm making soap today for rose and peony and lavender linen.